This is it, the third part of finding a new vice president to EvilBot. This is the finals of the Shader Showdown 2016. Without more stupid words from me, let's get started!
Silence. Order. My vice president went missing. What a shame. My loss, but you got your chance for fame. Go for your life. Time to recruit. I need to find myself a new substitute.
Once again, welcome to the finals of this year's Shader Showdown. It's LJ versus Archie. It's Germany versus Hungary. So, welcome on stage, our both contestants, the finalists. It's LJ and Archie. Give them a hand! Leo? Leo, is okay for both of you? Okay, then let's get this thing started. It's 25 minutes. This is the finals of the Shader Showdown 2016. The countdown is rolling, so please start the music!
vertical features are very popular among our shader competitors.
So interesting, we have actually one finalist using GLSL and one finalist using HLSL. Chaos, I know you would never do a thing like that, but if you were doing a thing like that, what kind of language would you use?
Well, it seems that OpenGL compiler is faster at compiling, so that gives you an advantage. I'm more fluent in HLSL, but in the end it's training. And now with WeCan, I might have to change altogether, because I think that the WeCan thing is a lot better than the OpenGL, the DirectX 12. So I might be changing from the DirectX to the OpenGL-like camp very soon. I'm not sure about this right now. But here at LG's side, we see a cube. I assume it's a cube, because it looks like a square, and somebody typed code for rotating things. So let's assume it's a cube.
Okay, I was for a second worried that you would say something like you write, I don't know, Spurby binaries in like by hand.
Yes, we did that before on our early DirectX.
Yeah, sure, you did that before. Why am I not surprised?
But I don't know if I will do it today. But it's a good idea, you're right. Haven't seen anything from Archie for a while, and still more vertical features.
I like how it's not paying any attention on indentation. That's sort of my style.
Well, it's very, very early, so we are just laying out the basics here.
It might be early, but 7th minute has already passed, 18 minutes to go.
Okay, more cubes, I guess.
Ooh, nice.
Whoa! Come on, give it up for them again.
Somebody's
Give it up for
having
AJ and Archie.
AJ goes waffles.
Oh, we're back to the waffles again. I hope nobody from Denmark is here. Do you think Archie is doing like the Fresnel thing again with the water, or is he shooting for something else? You were paying more attention last time than I did, so you might recognize something.
I don't know. This code is not properly indented, so I can't read.
So you weren't paying it, but we had a deal that at least one of us would pay attention.
It's hard to tell. We have the horizon, but we don't have the ground yet. And the Fresnel stuff was going on the ground.
Ah, interesting use of the OR operator. Oh, the waffles have gone.
Well, you just switch it off, I guess. They're still there, you just can't see them.
I'd like to point out again, don't do brown bump mapping. Look, that's a sphere. It's your thing.
Not much longer, he just commented out the sphere. Ah, now it's a ground. I guess he just typed sphere out of pure muscle memory.
Okay.
Oops, I don't want a sphere. Well, there's okay, ground.
Ooh, it's a good robot texture.
Yeah. So definitely something different, which is good news.
So who picked the textures for the finals?
Oh, no, I don't do graphics.
No, but I mean, who picked them? Somebody must have said, oh, this is a texture we're going to use.
Even picking graphics is an artistic decision.
We are down to 15 minutes. I think it's time for some cheering again. Come on, everybody, let's cheer for LJ and Archie.
Is nicely disrupted. I think we can see the complete code of this effect on screen. There's nothing important above or below, I suppose.
Yeah, that's always good if you have everything on one page, and I hate scrolling. Because when you think about it, scrolling is just like overflow happening. Why should I be worried about that as a user?
I often say it's just one page of code, but then it's a 4K monitor, and that's actually a lot of code.
Yeah, come to think of it, maybe we should limit to one page of code, so we can see always what they are typing, and we don't have to guess when they are scrolling, and we cannot see all the code.
No, we want the most awesome stuff we can get, and that involves scrolling.
Ooh, might this be some sundown thingy that he's going for?
Let there be light. Maybe not.
Oh, nice. Having the geometry react to the music.
Nice and dangerous.
Oh, nice. Yeah, guys, cheer. This is cool.
The real problem with doing too much music sync is when the music changes, your demo changes and you have to re-sync everything. And that can be bad when it happens in the last few minutes.
So let's not change the music then.
Well, that would make the DJ's work a bit boring.
And we just passed the halftime mark. Only 12 and a half minutes to go. Come on. Cheer for Archie. Cheer for LJ.
We just saw the problem with the DirectX compiler. It just, the pause that was him compiling, he changed the loop count from 100 to 200 and it just got very slow. So he changed it back to get better compile time, I guess. On an AJ side, things get more curvy. Spiky, yeah. Or whatever. Things are changing and that's always great to see.
No, I think Archie is actually paying less attention to sort of name everything correctly. That's more like I do things. I like that.
Yeah, on Archie's side, I think we will see some shading going on very soon because it's just calculating the normal from the distance field. And the normal is the direction in which the surface is pointing. That is, well, your basis for any shading.
Yeah, that looks actually like he's trying to calculate the gradient to get the normal, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Well, you can also read the name of the function, of course, but the formula is pretty much what you would expect.
Well, the function actually says norm, and what it does seems to be a gradient, so not sure about that.
Which results into the normal.
As I said, bad at naming things.
And by now, there are less than 10 minutes left. 9.5 minutes. Come on, give it up once again for LJ and Archie.
So it's the infinite plane of the dark sphere against the spiky tunnel. Which
That reminds me of waffles.
The waffle phase is a little bit over, I think, for the spiky tunnel. It takes quite a lot of imagination to see waffles, but maybe that's where you are.
Still have a
thinking
craving
first.
for waffles?
Maybe.
Santa gave you too much waffle schnapps yesterday.
Bass mechanic sounds.
If it were only that. Did the camera just shift weirdly, or am I still drunk?
Yeah. Not the camera. The ceiling is still in the center, but the bottom gets asymmetric, which isn't the worst thing. Actually, can be great. Okay, some aggressive changes. 8 minutes left and a nice toy to play around for LG.
Oh, it's speeding up.
Okay, we got our normals, we got our shading, now we need our interesting. For Archie.
Okay, we're nearing the 7-minute mark, and both seem to have the same grayish color scheme at the moment. So
Don't
chaos.
mention colors. Whenever we mention colors, things get ugly and eye cancery and stuff.
Colors, also colors.
Also, Archie has something golden up in the sky, so he's done that. Six minutes.
Oh, look at the top. It almost looked like a spike ball, so Les might be very pleased.
Du meinst that?
Spike
Yeah,
ball looking thing.
the
There it is
Walze.
again.
Yeah, this is getting nice. LJ has a nice toy, as I said. It's just set up, now let's play with it. A little bit more than 5 minutes left to play.
So I think it's time for some more cheering. Come on, this is the finals of the Shader Showdown. Give it up for LJ, give it up for RG. 5 minutes to go.
Oh, I called it colors.
What is that dark thing? I meant the other dark thing. The nose.
Oh, it's sort of reflecting. Ooh, the compile times of HLS are really bad.
This has to do with that we are using an outdated Windows version, but even with the current version, I think it's not much better. It is much better, but it's not as good as it should be.
More colors.
Less than 4 minutes.
Yeah, a massive change for this late in the game.
Finally, a shader that is going somewhere.
Let's see what Archie is up to. Yeah, you need more balls.
Look at his balls. They're yellow.
Oh, the robot's coming back.
And we are down to 3 minutes, the last 3 minutes of the Shader Showdown Finals 2016. Give it up once again for LJ and RG.
So, Chaos, prediction. What do you think? Does LJ have this? Will Archie do a comeback like Blueberry did before?
I don't want to influence the audience who is voting too much with my prediction, so I just comment what I'm seeing. And what I'm seeing right now, well, see for yourself.
Oh, nice colors in the artifacts.
Actually, I don't like it, but you'll fix it, sure.
How can you not like these non-coder colors? I don't get you. Colors I don't get you like at all.
I'm short of vomiting on our expensive video equipment, so please fix it.
Less than 2 minutes.
So, generally saying, because
Operation Seasick is in progress on LG's side.
oh, I want to see this with VR goggles.
The final minute is approaching.
60 seconds left. Come on, give it up for Archie, give it up for LJ. Less than 60 seconds to go.
Oh, the balls are touching the ground. They're jumping. I like how they're shaded.
30 seconds. And we are going for the countdown. It's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands off the keyboard. Remove the editor. Full screen, please. So, let's start the voting. Archie, could you remove the editor, please?
It wasn't my day this time. Sorry, I messed it up.
You want to give up?
What?
What did you say?
I messed it up, sorry.
Oh, no problem. So, let's see your effect anyway. So please, give it up for Archie! And let's see LJ's shader. Give it up for LJ! Man, that's been a nice show this year. Give it up for both contestants once again, please. Give it up for Archie. Give it up for LJ. And thanks to Luguba for the music. So, as always, we're giving out the trophies for the Shader Showdown. Right now, we are not waiting for the prize-giving ceremony. So, Archie, congratulations and thanks for participating. We hope to have you next year as well. And all hail to the new Shader Master, to Evilmon's new Vice President, it's LJ!